Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your older computers. If you're still rocking a traditional hard drive, you know the pain. Slow boot times, applications taking forever to load, and that overall sluggish feeling. Today, we're looking at a solution. The PNY CS900 1TB and 500GB SSD bundle. PNY promises a significant speed boost with these drives, and the specs look promising. We're talking sequential read speeds of up to 550 MB/s on the 1TB model and 535 MB/s on the 500 GB, and write speeds reaching 515 MB/s and 500 MB/s respectively. That's a huge leap over traditional hard drives. The beauty of this bundle is its versatility. The 1TB drive is perfect for your primary storage, housing your operating system, applications, and frequently accessed files. The 500GB drive can then be used for games, media, or as a secondary drive for less frequently used programs. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with upgrading computer components. These are standard 2.5-inch SATA 3 drives, so they should fit in most laptops and desktops. Plus, they're backwards compatible with SATA 2, making them suitable for older systems as well. Beyond the speed, there are other benefits to consider. SSDs are more durable than traditional hard drives because they have no moving parts. This means they're less likely to fail if your laptop gets bumped or dropped. They also consume less power, which can improve battery life in laptops. For anyone looking for a cost-effective way to improve their computer's performance, the PNY CS900 bundle is definitely worth considering. It offers a noticeable speed boost, increased durability, and lower power consumption, all at a reasonable price. It's a simple upgrade that can make a world of difference.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.